Proud of you, fond of you, clinging so near to you. Light is my heart now, I know I am dear to you. Glad is my voice now, so free it may sing for you. All the wild love that is burning within for you. Oh my Owen, my own love, stay close and hold me near. Tell me again that tender tale, the night you made it clear. Now I need never blush at the fire that I have shown, for I may speak my whole heart out. I am your own, your own. Tell me once more, tell it over and over, the tale of that eve that first saw you, my lover. Now I need never blush at my heart's hottest gush. The wife of my Owen, her heart may discover. Oh my Owen, my own love, stay close and hold me near. Tell me again that tender tale, the night you made it clear. Now I need never blush at the fire that I have shown, for I may speak my whole heart out. I am your own, your own. Proud of you, fond of you, having my right in you, quitting all else through my love and delight in you. Glad is my heart since 'tis beating so nigh to you. Light is my step, for it always may fly to you. Clasped in your arms where no sorrow can reach to me, reading your eyes till new love they shall teach to me. The wild and weak till now, by that blessed marriage vow, more than the wisest know, your heart shall speak to me. Oh my Owen, my own love, stay close and hold me near. Tell me again that tender tale, the night you made it clear. Now I need never blush at the fire that I have shown, for I may speak my whole heart out. I am your own, your own. Proud of you, fond of you, my own.